Hi, I'm Megan, a product manager at HellermannTyton. Sometimes even the most experienced installers could benefit from a more efficient cable routing solution. Let's look at three possible options: clips, clamps, and cable ties. We define a clip as any routing aid with an always open side for inserting bundles. Here's what we call an MOC, and this is a wedge clip. Despite their obvious differences, they both work essentially the same, with an open side to insert a cable or other routing. A good clip design makes it real easy to install cables, yet it holds on to them no matter what. It's also easy to mount. This reduces labor costs and installer injuries. Unlike the open clip design, a clamp can close and lock completely around a bundle. Here's what we call an LOC, and this is a ratchet P-clamp. Both lock and close completely around a bundle for routing security. Yet, unlike metal P-clamps, they can be reopened if you need to service your bundle. Like clips, clamps offer versatile mounting options, often with no tools or hardware required, so installation is quick and secure. Clips and clamps accommodate a wide range of bundle diameters. Still, there are applications best served by the almost limitless cable tie. Cable ties can be as simple as a strap and head, or they can include mounts, making them a lot like clamps. They can be short or long, narrow or wide, and one tie can cinch a wide range of bundle sizes and micro increments. So not only are they strong, they're versatile too. For the best stability and fastest installs, use clips or clamps. Clips win on speed, clamps for extra security. Cable ties might be your best choice if versatility is your priority. Thanks for watching.